Practice exercise 3.2, we're going to use data set 1 from Appendix B and use the crosstabs command to create a contingency table. To do this, we go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Crosstabs. We would like one of our variables, in this case rows, to be sex, and the other variable, in this case columns, to be marital status. Because we know we're going to want percentages, we're going to go to cells and tell it that we would like row and column percentages. Now when we run the command, our output will look like this. To answer the question, what percentage of participants are married? This column represents marital status married. The total for that is 7 of our 23 participants, or in other words, 30.4%. What percent of our participants are male and married? Male and married, 5 of our participants of our 23 total.